This is your walkthrough for the Tallgrass Prairie ecosystem lesson. By the time we finish this lesson, you are going to be able to say, I can explain that organisms can survive only in environments in which their particular needs are met. This is a video from PBS that talks about how important bison are to the prairie ecosystem. It is about an 8-minute video, and I really encourage you to watch it. I think that it will help to give you a really good background knowledge of what we're studying in this week's lesson, and I think that you'll find it interesting. Your lesson is right here. It'll talk to you everything that you need to know about a tallgrass prairie ecosystem. And then these are additional activities or extensions that you could do to really prove your understanding and to take this instruction a little bit further and to the next level. On slide 4, you're going to find our activity. So first of all, we're looking at the same photo we've looked at so far in this lesson. And we are saying, what are some of the non-living things you can observe or infer in this photo of a tallgrass prairie? Use the labels from the perimeter of the page to label the non-living things. So if I'm in edit mode, I'm going to see out here on the right side and on the left side of the page, there's some arrows. I'm going to drag those in order to label the non-living things that are in this image. So the things that are here in this ecosystem but are not alive. And then your explain, wrap it up. Explain how do the physical characteristics of an environment help to support the organisms that live there. And then on your extension, your other activities, this is a really interesting video that talks about tallgrass prairie ecosystems and how important it is to burn them and why the burning of a prairie is so important. These other videos are information about the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve, which we have studied so far in this lesson. And then this is actually an extension link that will take you to the National Park Service page, the National Parks site, so you can see and get some more resources about the Tallgrass Prairie Preserve. When you are done today, again, your goal is that I can explain that organisms can survive only in environments in which their particular needs are met. And so again, I'm going to exit my present mode. I'm going to go into my edit mode. And there I can see those arrows that I'm going to drag in and label the non-living things that are in this picture. Because, again, your goal, you can explain that organisms can survive only in environments in which their particular needs are met.